Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Gwan Tours. We're in London Brick Lane, so let's see Gwan. So yeah, it looks like market day today. Sun's shining. We used to come here all the time. We used to live in London, and Brick Lane used to be one of our favourite places to come and get a good meal. So if you've not been here before, Brick Lane is a part of London in East London.
Next to Shoreditch.
Yeah, next to Shoreditch, Old Street, and it is famous for its Indian cuisine. So you can literally try many different restaurants, and yeah, it's got loads to choose from, and it's just got really nice energy about it. So yeah, if you are ever in London, I would recommend checking it out. And if you do like your Indian cuisine, it's definitely a place to come. Yeah, but we haven't been here for a long time. To show you, got all the, just come from that way. Got all the graffiti everywhere. And yeah, so it's early in the morning at the moment. So obviously at night time, it's a completely different vibe. Like everywhere, the city comes to life. Yeah, we are gonna try and speak up as much as possible. We did go out yesterday, so I'm a little bit hanging. Not too bad though. Not as bad as I thought it'd be. What's this place? Harvest. Little corner shop. There we go, Harvest. Yeah, a lot of graffiti. More than what I remember from the last time we were here.
We'll put it on it up.
Yeah. That one's quite cool with the leopard print, pink. So yeah, most of the time we used to come here, it would be definitely more in the evening. So yeah, a lot of the time when we would come here, it'd be a lot more in the evening time. So yeah, it's quite weird, sort of like coming more in the morning and everyone's just getting up. We stayed in a Shoreditch area, which used to be our old stomping ground if anyone used to go out. We're talking about probably 10, 15 years now. We always used to come out to Shoreditch, and there was a club which was one of our favourites, which was, oh shit, sorry guys, which was called Herbal. So what is this here? Truman. It's like a little bar.
Since we used to come here, we used to come to this
Yeah,
bar back in the day.
we did. Hang on, I'm going to put it on my other arm because it feels more comfortable on that arm. Yeah, we did used to come to here. So I see that a lot has changed. It's not open now, obviously. Maybe it's open more in the evening. Got some more market stalls opening up here. Backyard. So yeah, a lot of people are just setting up for the day. Like I said, it is early Sunday, so a lot of the Sunday markets are getting ready. So we had an event last night in Brixton. Yeah, United Colours of Jungle. Ooh, almost get myself killed. Yeah, we always used to go out down this side, didn't we? There's a few clubs there that we used to like, and one of our friends used to do some events that Kirk used to go DJ at. So yeah, it was a good time. Spice of London. So yeah, a lot more of these restaurants will be open sort of like during the evening and the daytime, remembering it's early. It's up there. Got a few little vintage stores there. So you got Aladdin. Jasmine and Aladdin next to each other, very fitting. And then you've got an upmarket. Yeah, food market. I don't know if we can go in. Might be good to go in, have a look. Go say no. Let's just show you guys around. So I feel like we've gone, yeah, I feel like this is the one we used to come to all the time. Just show you guys. I'm getting the title of the place in.
You gotta get it there. So,
Thank you.
oh, sorry, hold on a second, like that.
Oh. There we go. So you guys can actually see what the hell I'm talking about. Bengal Village, Curry Bazaar. So yeah, we did have our favourites, didn't we? It was hard to try all of them because there were so many. And at the time, our main thing was a good samosa, a good buna, and pila rice. And to be fair, it hasn't really changed. We're pretty much on the same. Dr. Noodle. Dr. Noodle. And then we've got Eastern Eye Balti House. Takuli Chicken.
So how you found London to be like?
Yeah, good. I always liked London. I think where we used to live here, it was obviously we were like working, living, and you get so used to the sort of convenience of London. Like London is just anything and everything is open. There's always something to do, always something going on. Work-wise, it's so easy because there's just so much vibrancy and opportunities. But then when you come as a tourist, it's a little bit different, isn't it? You kind of come here to sort of look at all the landmarks, and we lived here, you just sort of, the landmarks are there, you'll go past them every day, so the novelty sort of wears off. So yeah, it is nice coming back in as a tourist, as previously it was just part of the norm. So, show you this. Again, I'm going to have to do my little, there we go. So yeah, I'm not really sure what this is, but it's always here. It's a like landmark of Brick Lane.
Lights up at night time, doesn't it?
Yeah, lights up, you can see it, and as you're coming down, it's sort of a reminder of where you are. Yeah, it does really light up at night. But yeah, I like London as a tourist. I like going to Camden. I like coming to this area. I like going to Stratford as well. We used to love going to like Westfield. And sort of like the shops and the areas and pubs and stuff around there. We love Ali Pali as well. It's a really nice park there. You've got an ice skate rink. You've got clubs, not clubs, but you get like a big events there. And you've got a nice view of London. So yeah, we used to love going to Ali Pali. And then Victoria Park was one of our favourites as well, which is North London. Sort of Hackney Ends, if you know it. And yeah, that was probably our sort of most popular stomping ground in terms of places we just go and chill. We bring the kids and yeah, Vicky Park. So yeah, let us know in the comments below if you like London, where do you like to go? Have you ever lived in London? If you're part of the Gwan family, is there somewhere you sort of avoid or that you sort of like try to sort of come in, do your shopping? Go to maybe see all the sites, so you have Big Ben. We did used to do like the London Eye area, didn't we? I don't know if the place is still there, but there was an arcade that we would go to. Oh, it is still there, yeah. So if you go into the London Eye, it's where the London Dungeon experience is.
Yeah.
There's like an experience there basically. If you go along that side, there's like a really fun amusement park arcade with like bowling and stuff, and we used to go there quite a lot and have like a walk along the waterfront. And then we used to go to like Temple as well, didn't we? There was like a walkabouts there. I don't think the walkabouts are still there, but we did used to go to Temple and around there as well. Didn't used to go to South a lot. Used to do like Vauxhall and like Brixton and everything. But yeah, you got the big gates here. Right, so that was Brick Lane. Still currently in it, yeah, just coming to the end of it. So there's like one big sort of, I don't want to say strip, yeah, road, yeah. So used to the tourists. Like, it is a strip, yeah, it's a strip of Indian cuisine. It's a nice little park. We do like Chinatown as well. Chinatown's always fun, especially during New Year's. If you're ever in London for New Year's, Chinatown New Year, then do check it out because it's obviously really fun. You've got all the kind of like carnivals going on, all the festivities. So yeah, if it was ever Chinese New Year, we'd always try and make sure we get to Chinatown. Really thirsty now though. Really thirsty now though. You finished yours already, yeah. That one looks nice up there. Big roof. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. Rooftop. Yeah. Obviously London's famous for that as well. There's loads of roof bars, so if you do want to see the city sights, we do like a rooftop bar. Right, so as we come to the end of here, where does this bit lead us to? So as we come to the end of here, where does this lead us to?
You asked me a question.
Yeah.
Why do you know who you are?
Is it 'cause I don't know.
I don't know where you are.
Like I said, I'm literally as a tourist now.
This is it. Finished.
Yeah.
So, can we finish it?
Yeah. Right, guys, so thank you for joining us as we take a little trip down memory lane. So we've just come from the other end of Brick Lane. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.